This tiny puppy will bring joy, adventure, laughter, and love to one special family. But first, let's discover how this little puppy found its forever home.
Good morning, everyone!
These pancakes smell great! And they taste even better. I wish we had a puppy. Me too! I really want a puppy!
Have you thought about a puppy name yet?
What about Cookie?
Or Buddy?
Those are great names. Dad, can we get a puppy?
Yeah, a golden retriever.
You two really love puppies.
They certainly do.
What if we visit an animal shelter today?
Really? Yay, let's go!
Everyone ready? Ready!
Look at this puppy. They're so cute.
Maybe we'll meet one today.
Really awesome.
Everyone ready?
Yes! I hope we find a puppy. Me too. Maybe a golden puppy or a fluffy white one. Oh, how wonderful.
We're almost there. The puppy stole my sandwich.
My first puppy was very playful.
Really? Come here, boy. We're here. I see it. What if no puppy likes us?
Don't worry. Be yourself.
I hear puppies.
Let's go meet them.
Welcome to the puppy room.
Wow! Look at all the puppies. They're everywhere. They're coming.
I think they like us already.
That puppy is so fast.
He loves playing.
I love this puppy. He's very sweet.
Hey! He likes you.
This is so much fun. Best day ever. That puppy is sleepy.
He's taking a break.
Hello, little one.
He's adorable. Look, he's following us.
Maybe he likes our family.
Well, hello there.
I think he likes you. What is he doing? He's chasing himself. They all want the same toy.
Just like kids.
Hi, little puppy. He's very shy. He's hiding.
I think he's nervous.
He's so cute. Come out, puppy.
Sometimes you need patience.
I'll wait. He's coming.
Slowly.
Hello, little friend.
That puppy really likes her.
I think so too.
This puppy seems very special.
I think he chose us.
There are so many wonderful puppies.
I like the fluffy white puppy.
I like this little brown puppy. Choosing won't be easy.
Let's spend a little more time with them.
I like the golden puppy.
like the fluffy white one. I like the brown puppy.
This puppy has lots of energy!
He certainly does.
He's so funny.
He likes you.
You're my favorite.
He looks very comfortable with you. Every puppy is special.
That's true.
I want them all!
Me too.
Let's let the puppies play freely with the family. Let's see which puppy connects with our family.
That's a great idea.
Let's see what happens.
This is exciting. Look! I think he chose you.
He's following me everywhere.
I think he likes you.
He's your shadow.
He really is.
I've never seen him do that.
Neither have I.
I think he's special. I think so too. Good boy, you're so happy. Look at his tail.
He's very happy.
Yes, you are.
What do you all think?
I like him. Maybe this puppy is my favorite too. Really?
He's very gentle.
That's important. I think we found our puppy.
Yay!
I think he chose us.
Welcome to our family.
Congratulations. Thank you. He'll need these.
Thank you.
This blanket is for him. And these toys too. He loves it.
Are you okay? He's doing great. Everything is new for him.
It sure is.
Buddy!
Cookie.
Let's keep thinking.
Chuckles!
We're home.
Welcome home, puppy. Take your time.
This is your home now.
He's exploring everything. He's so curious.
Do you like your new bed?
I think he does.
These are your bowls.
They're just for you.
He must be hungry.
He really likes it. Look how fast he is. Catch me if you can. He's chasing butterflies. He's having fun. He's looking at himself.
That's adorable.
Buddy.
Cookie.
Max.
Let's see which one he chooses.
Come on, puppy.
Oh, he's picking one.
Yes, it's Luna. Buddy, it is.
Welcome home, buddy. Our first family photo.
Buddy looks perfect.
It was Buddy's first morning in his new home.
Buddy. Happy Christmas.
Good morning, buddy.
Someone has lots of energy.
Good job waiting, buddy.
He's learning already. Sit, buddy.
You can do it.
Good job, buddy. Woof. He learned so fast.
Ready, buddy?
Woof.
Fetch.
Go, buddy, go.
Look how fast he runs.
He's having the best day ever.
Buddy saved our picnic! He's a superhero puppy!
Great job, buddy.
What would we do without you?
What a beautiful puppy.
His name is Buddy. Can I pet him?
Of course!
We just got him.
Of course.
Buddy can shake hands too!
He's very smart.
Buddy already feels like family.
Because he is family.
I'm so happy we found Buddy. He's my best friend. Buddy brought so much joy into our lives.
Sometimes came to Best Shelter looking for a family.